It's time for Studio 7, sponsored by your Permian Basin Chevy dealers.
It's the art of dentistry. Dr. Robin Rutherford.
Welcome back. Do you or someone you know grind their teeth? Well, grinding your teeth can really affect your smile. In today's Art of Dentistry, Dr. Robin Rutherford is here to talk about how you can fix worn teeth and what options you have if you're a teeth grinder. Dr. Rutherford, thanks for being with us.
Thanks for having me.
So first, how common is this?
A lot of people grind their teeth at night, especially when they're asleep. Some people have the habit of kind of clenching their teeth during the day, or even grinding or whatever. But it puts years and years worth of workload on your teeth. It's kind of like if you jump up and down, jump up and down, you wonder why your knees wore out early,
right?
You know, instead of just a normal lifetime. And grinding your teeth can do this. This first picture, I got this off the internet when I was trying to find information, and I thought this was so funny, but it's so true. Says to dentist, I don't grind my teeth. Most of the time, a dentist, I can look at your teeth and I can see that you have flat spots that are worn, and you have cracks, and you have things that make me suspect. And in fact, there's no other way. You can just wear a flat spot on your teeth except for wearing them. But most of the time, probably half the time at least, if I ask somebody, they'll go, I don't think I do. Because you're asleep, you don't know what you do. You know, maybe your spouse or somebody can tell you that.
They know.
So I just thought this was so illustrative of the whole deal, though.
And you recently helped a patient, right?
Yeah, here's an actual patient of mine. Okay. This is the way we met him. And if you look at his teeth, they actually are worn a lot.
Wow.
And in fact, look at the picture on the left. It almost looks like he doesn't have teeth. If it got any worse, because the teeth are worn shorter and shorter and shorter, and so they get where they don't show out from behind your lip. Look at his lower teeth on the right. You almost can't see that he has teeth.
Right. So is this a severe case, or you see this often?
Oh, I see this often.
Wow.
This is not as bad as I've seen. Here's a close-up. You can see how shattered the teeth are. Enamel is almost like glass. It's very similar. And so they're worn down, and the glass, it's like just so sharp on the edges. And so this is what he lives with, and it's not going to go away. It just gets worse as he continues to grind.
Okay.
So here's the solution. If your teeth are all shorter, then two things happen. First of all, the teeth are wearing down, but also your nose and your chin are getting closer and closer together. When you bite down, your teeth are supposed to hit at a certain point. Well, if your teeth are shorter and your lower teeth are shorter, now you actually close down farther before your teeth touch. And you start looking like someone much older. Or you even start looking like someone who doesn't have their dentures in.
Oh, no.
Even though you have your teeth,
Right.
And it's because of that. So all of the teeth are the same. They're all worn shorter that way. It's not just a few teeth. So what we have to do is make every tooth back to the original shape and size and height. And it can be prettier, better looking than it ever was. But that means you have to fix every tooth. And yes, that means you have to crown every tooth. So here he is after we worked with him. And this shows, the close-ups of the crowns. And then I like this photo again, how he more looks like a real guy with a real smile now.
Yes, that transformation is just amazing.
Yeah, and the before and after really shows what we're talking about. Now, grinding your teeth, I wish we knew how to make people not grind their teeth.
Right.
Because if I could snap my fingers, I could save people so much trouble. But we don't really know why people do that. It's something from your mind, from your brain. It's not that we know what it is. And so we can't just say don't do that anymore. And so the only way you can protect things is to wear a night guard. And this is a photo, and I even have one here in my hands, the model here of the teeth, and then the little plastic night guard that just snaps on to the front teeth. Now, when you bite down and you have that layer of plastic, then the back teeth are not touching, so they're not going to hurt each other.
Right.
And the front teeth, even though you will maybe still grind your teeth, now you're just sliding around on plastic. And again, nobody on top is hurting anybody on bottom.
Right.
And so if you have not had your teeth fixed, then a night guard can help protect your teeth. And everybody out there who grinds your teeth, you need to be wearing a night guard. every night when you sleep, and in fact, even if you just take a nap in the day. Now, in his case, my patient, we had put a lot of effort into restoring his teeth, and so of course, I mean, you can break porcelain too, just like you destroy your teeth.
Right.
And so, yeah, we made a night guard for him.
Right, but I bet getting a night guard replaced is a lot cheaper than getting all your teeth replaced. So.
Yeah, and night guards are easy. It's compared to anything else in your life. If it was just a matter of just wearing this, and yet sometimes people won't do it. No, too much trouble.
Well, we appreciate you coming in today.
Yeah.
It's the